This is the photochemical reactor. This is the cabinet for the photochemical reactor. This is the control panel for the reactor. We can see the safety lock is provided, which will turn off when the cabinet will be open. UV lamp will be turned off when the cabinet will be open. Here are parts of the photochemical reactor. This is the UV lamp. This is the gas inlet. This is the gas vent. This is the reactor body. This is the cord jacket. This is the silicone tube for the gas and water. This is the blind. This is the sensor for the reactor. And this is the magnetic stirrer with a hot plate. Now we are going to show you the assembly. The basic preparation for the assembly will be, you need to connect hose to the walls, that is the gas inlet with the hose. This is the gas vent with the hose and the cord jacket with the hose for the gas inlet. For the cooling. Now we are starting the assembly. First we want to place magnetic mirror inside the reactor very carefully. Then we are using gas inlet. Then we will place the cord jacket inside the reactor. This is gas vent. Now we are using the blind.
Stop.
Now this will be the sensor we need to place on the bottom or on the back nozzle. This will be the assembly for the reactor. Place the magnetic hot plate inside the cabinet at the center and use the black plug fix into the black socket. Now place the assembled reactor on the hot plate. Now we are connecting the hose to the connectors.
Gas inlet.
This is the gas inlet.
Gas outlet.
This is the gas outlet. The cooling water inlet. Now the cooling water outlet. Now we are placing the UV lamp, but before the placing the UV lamp we need to shift that top cover little bit to make the provision to insert the UV lamp easily. Now the UV lamp we are placing inside. This will be the process.
The white plug inside the white socket.
Now
पहले plug लाओ.
the white socket need to put into that white plug we will fix on the white socket for the UV lamp. Now close the top cover so UV light does not come out.
The assembly is complete.
This is the fully assembled reactor. Now it is ready to use. Now to insert the product we need to remove that blind cap. Now we can pour the measured volume of the product inside the reactor. After pouring the product, we need to start just close the blind cap. Now start the magnetic stirrer. It will start rotating. Now we just need to on the gas inlet. You can see the sparging is taking place. Now the batch is loaded. Now we want to start the UV lamp. So the MCB is provided. We just switch it on. But you can see the UV lamp is not blowing just because of the door is open. Now for the trial, I am just using this switch as the door is closed. Now you can see the UV lamp is blowing, but this is not recommended. Thank you.